How does Croatian language policy align with international standards? Have you ever wondered how a country's language policy can reflect its cultural identity while also aligning with global standards? Today, we are focusing on Croatian language policy and its relationship with international norms. Croatia has developed a language policy that aims to protect and promote the Croatian language while ensuring it meets international standards on language rights and cultural preservation. The Croatian Language Act is central to this policy. It sets clear rules for the official use of Croatian, making sure it remains the primary language in government, education, media, and public life. This aligns with international practices that encourage countries to safeguard their national languages while also respecting the rights of minority languages. At the heart of this policy is the standard Croatian language and Latin script, which are recognized as the official means of communication in state institutions. This is a common approach worldwide, where a standardized national language is used for official purposes. It helps promote clarity and effective governance. Interestingly, the policy also allows for local dialects and minority languages in specific contexts, such as education and media. This reflects international frameworks that support linguistic diversity and the rights of minority languages. To ensure the Croatian language develops appropriately, a Croatian Language Council has been established. This council includes experts from universities and linguistic institutions. This approach is in line with international recommendations that suggest having expert bodies manage language planning and policy. This helps the language adapt to modern needs while maintaining its unique identity. In education, Croatian serves as the primary language of instruction at all levels. This is consistent with international standards that highlight the importance of mother tongue education in preserving language and culture. However, there is also an acknowledgement of the increasing use of English, especially in scientific fields. This presents challenges for maintaining Croatian scientific terminology, but the policy aims to balance openness to global languages with the protection of Croatian linguistic heritage. Importantly, the law is not punitive or restrictive. Instead, it focuses on protecting and developing the language. This aligns with international human rights principles that advocate for the protection of languages without imposing rigid norms that could suppress natural linguistic diversity. From a Southeast European perspective, Croatia's language policy reflects a broader regional trend where national languages are closely tied to identity and statehood, especially after the breakup of Yugoslavia. The emphasis on standardization and protection mirrors similar efforts in neighboring countries. At the same time, Croatia's recognition of minority languages fits within the multilingual realities of Southeast Europe, where various ethnic and linguistic groups coexist. In summary, Croatian language policy aligns with international standards by establishing a clear official language, protecting and promoting the language through expert oversight, ensuring education primarily in Croatian while allowing minority language education, supporting linguistic diversity, and focusing on language preservation and development. This policy reflects both global principles of language rights and the specific historical and cultural context of Southeast Europe, where language is a vital marker of national identity and cultural heritage.